Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning in, people. A lot of respect. Please, guys, smash that like button. And guess what? We're speaking about Speedy Williams, Devon Speedy Williams, Speedy himself. And I mean, he played a really great game today. Let's be fair, people. When a player plays with such prowess, we have to give them commend. We have to commend them when they put on this sort of performance. But when they do put on the bad performance, we have to do the same. As you know, I am not a biased person. I won't be biased on any side. I have to do. You put in a good performance, I commend you for that. You put in a bad performance, I still be critical about it. But yet still, you have to be constructive with your criticism. But in the same sense, I am not biased. So Devon Speedy Williams, people, a peach of a goal, a solid performance from Devon. They take on the Miami FC take on New York Red Bulls at their home and defeating them 1-0, and that goal came from Speedy Williams. And I mean a peach of a goal, something you would see in FIFA. And you know that those type of goals that you always want to score in FIFA, those screamers from way out, from 25 yards out, 30 yards out, where the ball would hit under the crossbar and just boom inside of the net. Yes, something like that. That's what he delivered it tonight, people. And I'm telling you, it was a great performance from him. He also got a few more chances, but he didn't put it away. But a solid performance from the Miami FC team, I have to say, and you have to give it credit. They did put on a solid performance. So that's now 2 wins, 1 loss, and 6 points in third position. Scoring 3 goals, only conceding 2. That game in particular would see Speedy Williams moving into the 4th position in the Atlantic Division as the most highly rated players, ranking 4th, and that is really good in essence. But he did put in a good performance. Let me go into the stats of the game, what he did, and let's see how well he performed. But for this game, people, the Miami FC deployed in a 4-2-3-1 formation, where Speedy was playing in the attacking midfield position, where he looked really fluent on the ball, and did create a lot of problems for the New York Red Bulls. So he played a total of 90 minutes. He had 1 goal, which is a seal goal, bringing the team to the win. And he had a total of 81 touches, completing 50 out of 60 passes, finishing the game with an 83% passing accuracy. And people, that is really good. He attempted 9 long balls, completing 6 of those, some beautiful chips over the top, in between the line, and trying to break the line as best as possible. Lots of ball playing down to the channel. The wingers had a great day moving down the line. So he had 3 shots, 1 on target, 1 off target, and also 1 block. And you all know he did score a goal from that. He made 4 dribble attempts, completing all 4 dribble attempts at 100% completion. And he also missed the big chance. Yes, he got a fairly good chance where he hit the side of the netting, but as I said, he did get into those dangerous areas, trying to create something extra and being at that extra outlet, getting inside of the 18-yard box. People, it was a great central attacking midfield game for him, and one of the positions that we have really seen being deployed in, but we do know that he has that capability. So he encountered in a total of 15 duels, 13 ground duels, completing 8 of those, and also 2 aerial duels, with winning both of them as well. A very physical game for him, dominant on all aspects of his game, on the ground, off the ground, and also on the ball. But in all essence, he did put in a solid performance, people. One, I have to commend him, and I really enjoyed that performance. Also, not only providing the attacking element of the game, let's move into his defensive element. He made 2 clearances, 2 interceptions, and also 2 block shots. So from a player perspective, defensively and offensively, he did make an account for himself. So people, Speedy Williams did put in a solid performance. If you did not see that match for yourself, I would advise you, go and watch the entirety of the game, not only the highlights, because the highlights don't tell you the full story of the game. So watch the entire game, then you'll get a better consensus or a better idea of what I'm talking about, and you can analyze his performance in accordance to what he did. Walker did try his best to get himself on the scoring sheet, but it was a difficult game for him. It was a difficult game for him, really hungry for that goal, and it is yet to come. I do think that he will get that goal that he's been waiting for so long. But we also did not see Joshua Anglin coming off the bench for this one. It was a really aggressive game and a close game. So most of the changes after that goal was more likely some defensive minded changes to try and to try and keep the scoreline as it is. But it was a solid game from both Lamar and also Speedy Williams, and I can tell you people, I was really impressed with the performance in all essence. Hopefully we can see more of these type of performance going forward, and next time I'm hoping to see Joshua Angled getting himself out there and putting himself on the pitch, but because we do know what he has to offer. Very good technical player, defensive, solid minded as well, can also protect the defense line as that holy midfielder. Speedy Williams as an attacking element in this game, in the central attacking midfield position, you can consider it as a 10/8, but did find himself into those dangerous areas, as you guys can see from his heat map. Definitely, so people really want you guys to go and check it out and see the performance for yourself. But people, thank you very much. Miami FC 1 and New York Red Bulls 0, putting Miami FC third on the table on 6 points, and also putting Speedy Williams ranking 4th in the Atlantic Division this time around for this round as the most valuable player. But thank you very much people for tuning in. Military Gunner TV, please smash the like button and go and watch it and tell me what you think. Put it in the comments, put your thoughts in the comments about his performance and tell me what you think about it. Big up people for coming in, a lot of respect. Military Gunner TV people, enjoy yourself, smash the like button. I'm out.